Good afternoon. We are taking a look around on our VNL First Alert Storm Team Skycam network. You can see in Fargo we still have beautiful blue sky, but it's more gray in Devil's Lake. We're looking at some wind and some bright sunshine in that Dakota Magic Casino Skycam down along the North Dakota South Dakota line. Some wind into the Grand Forks area, and in general some brighter conditions, but clouds are taking over that area as well here as we head into the afternoon hours. So some changes happening around the valley this morning. And here's a look at the latest on our radar and satellite map. You can see that we've got some quiet conditions in the south and east, but then as we look to the north and west, the clouds are taking over. The rain is pushing through places like Devil's Lake right along the state line area, and now moving into Minnesota, that northwestern corner of Minnesota as well. So just zooming in and pausing the clock here, you can see some of our more substantial rain. It's not heavy, but it's steady in places like Pembina County into Walsh County here this afternoon. And again, this is drifting eastward, so we'll see more of that rain moving into central parts of the valley as we go through time heading into this afternoon and tonight. The last areas to see the rain will be the southeast, because look how far back it is, way over by Bismarck here. It'll take a little bit before it moves in, but overall we'll watch this move in. We'll see the clouds take over as we head into the afternoon and into the evening hours tonight. Winds are a little more brisk up in the northeast, but data gust to 22 miles per hour. We're seeing wind out of the south ahead of the boundary that's creating these showers and clouds. And behind the front, you can see the cooler air moving in Langdon and Devil's Lake, where we've got winds out of the north. And taking a look at our temperatures, we're in the 40s there. It's 46 in Devil's Lake. And Fargo, we're at 59, and Sisseton's at 60. So we're on our way to some low 60s in the southern end of the valley today. Here's a look at that heading into the afternoon. We'll see sunshine again, hold on longest in the southeast, and that's where we're most likely to be in the low 60s, maybe some mid 60s, heading into the what would typically be our warmest time of the day in that 4 or 5 o'clock hour this afternoon. And then to the north, those showers and clouds still hanging on, keeping our temperatures upper 40s to some upper 50s in those locations. And that wind eventually does turn northerly, and it does pick up as it turns northerly as well. Late tonight, here come those showers continuing to drift their way through. Our forecast model even indicating a couple of these rain showers trying to change over to a little bit of flaky activity by early tomorrow morning. If that happens, it shouldn't last long and it would be minor, but still that shows that we've got some cooler air into the morning hours. And then eventually the rain moves on for the rest of the day on Tuesday, but even Tuesday morning, you might need your umbrella. So taking a look at our rainfall potential, we'll see rain showers through Tuesday morning that produce less than a ½ inch of rain in most areas. This is in addition to what we've seen in some spots already, but then there are some spots closer to that ½ inch mark. So something to keep in mind here for the next 12 to 24 hours with this round. Now, we've been talking about that first alert weather day, Thursday and Friday. That storm system going to be taking over. But even before that, we could see some rain, maybe even mixing over to snow on Wednesday. And then Thursday and Friday, the wind, the snow, maybe just rain for some areas. But look at the cold temperatures, high of 34 on Friday. So a 30-degree difference between our forecast high of 64 today to 34 on Friday. And the weekend will stay cold too. So getting a little spooky here heading into the Halloween weekend.
Might be an understatement, a little bit spooky, but yeah, 30s, they are here now. That it is here.
It is, yep. Yes, we are definitely going to be feeling the chill coming up for the weekend.
Definitely are. Lisa, thank you so much.